bro start the disassembly. Gotta take the wipers. You going righty tighty.
What?
Yeah, you was going right. I was about to say, I know that ain't that tight. What the f they try to do?
It's the man, it's fucking cold. It's crazy. You got that nigga slaving out here.
Alright, that's one down. We're gonna put it on the table real quick. So yeah, I see how chopped my last one was. Alright. The window wipers. I really like that. Really like you annoy it. I really like the look of no wipers, but you know in reality we need them. So yeah, my car's kind of dirty.
One wiper would be tough though.
Yeah, the what is it? The JDM look, I think it is. The one wiper across everything. That should be lit. But yeah, we got this. We're gonna clean this out real quick, and then we should be able to install the next one. What's this thing doing?
See, this is my cleaning agent right here.
Who's man?
We ain't got no time to do. Just whatever I can find. First thing that I saw. We don't need it 100%. We ain't going to know, car shows anytime soon. You know what I'm saying? Just slap the dirt. You know what I'm saying?
Heard you. Yo.
Yo, what you said earlier? Something that you.
Yo, chill. Chill.
Whoa. I can't believe that wasn't my guy.
See, that's a good thing. What we recording?
Huh?
We was recording? We was recording?
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Good thing we wasn't recording. That's what you was saying?
Yeah.
That's gonna be the best part of the video. I still got the edit in my head.
Yo, chill.
Or the silent videos with the facial reactions, like what?
No need that anyway, so it's oh, that's cold.
Ash on my hands match
Yo,
the
ain't no-
dirt
hey,
on the
word,
car.
bro,
Like,
bro, I'm telling you that
we
car
both going through the struggle. Like,
It's calling.
my vitamin water.
Oh, no. What? What?
Yo, that's my vitamin water, bro. That's
Yeah. Supposed to be drinking healthy stuff, son.
This is healthy, man.
Light?
It
It's
makes
not
me
even light.
burp. It gets the light. What are you drinking light for?
I drink water, you feel me?
You gotta
Yo.
get the gas out, man.
Noted. Nigga said that rotten belly.
Word.
Bro, you gotta move that hand, bro. That ash is crazy.
Gotta spit on that shit. Pause.
Oh, wait,
Whoa.
bro. Come on now, Craig. Come on, sight.
Hey man, don't try to check me.
Alright. I got two. You got one. Alright.
I ain't got nothing.
I ain't got none either. Hold on.
I'm gonna play a right hand, play the clip back.
Always come lotioned up.
Hey, yo, whoa. Oh, nah. What? That was dumb, gay. Oh, no, hell no, that's getting put in there. And it's going to the bloopers. I gotta make a bloopers for this one. This one going crazy.
So,
Not big raises, man. If all your cars is gonna fit in them, not fitting. And bro, it's so annoying not fitting any cars, bro. Like,
Imagine somebody bought you a Lotus.
yo, I was dead thinking about that earlier. Like, yo, I would dead not even fit in a Lotus, bro. Like,
But you can't fit in that. You're gonna have to sell it and get something bigger.
where I like power. Pause. Hey, never mind. Never mind.
I ain't
man.
even going. I ain't even going.
I'm
into
done.
that.
I'm done for the day. I ain't saying shit.
That's it. Oh, look at me. I got the tool right here. Tools are right here. And I'm here struggling. All I need to do is get the little thing. Oh, man. This is...
You ain't gonna hear me complain all video. This cold.
It ain't even that cold. That's the crazy part.
I'm freezing, son.
Nigga, think of another year this day. You'd be in your house, nigga. Inside your crib, nigga. Would not be out here doing nothing, nigga.
You right. That's a fact.
Alright, so let's pull it from under. It's recording?
Yeah.
Man, you better make sure that shit don't fall.
Boom. Expensive.
Ah, you can put the hood on. No, that's not locked. So yeah, the old one out. New one. Let's clear this. Major upgrade.
Big facts.
Gonna try to take off whatever I can and move over. Should have some sticky shit.
Yo, see, me and nice things don't get along, player. Yo, you know me? I be dropping everything. Drive fast.
Let's see if I can take out these though.
What is that, the pins?
Yeah, they're just a little clip. Just a little pinch clip.
Mm.
Things go around here. I'm gonna see if I can take another time for that.
Sure.
So I think I could have bend this a little bit.
Oh man,
What happened?
you gonna mess up the damn car.
No, I ain't. I'm taking a hood on myself. Say that to me.
Yo, dogs.
I needed a what? Refreshment.
That's refreshment.
Yeah.
This refreshment.
Damn right.
Yo.
Put it down. And then let's see how I take this shit off. Oh no, it's a British screwdriver. You still recording?
Yes, sir. Yo.
Just gonna be lazy.
Yo. Where the screws
It's
at?
gonna look nice though. The mini clips, the ones that he said was the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them.
Which one was that?
It's this one, right?
Yeah, I think it's this one.
Yeah, it was a
Yeah,
gold.
yeah. So I got so many clips. You feel me? Focus.
A lot.
Focus.
No, that's what in the water.
Yo, you chill, yo.
I just thought about it like, yeah, I'm gonna have a gash in my head.
Man, his hand ain't gonna be ashy no more.
Oh man, this thing, man. Yeah, they got me tight.
You said 10? Shit got me doing all the damn work. I don't even pay for this motherfucker. Oh, this is 13. What the 13 doing in the 10? Alright. Oh, you want the dumb joints? Them Johnnies. Paul, hey man, how? What's it, Johnny? Oh. My God. Yeah, I got it. Don't look at me like that. Bro, I got mad packages coming. I got my radio coming.
So when we gonna start vlogging some of your content?
I don't know,
Your
man.
YouTube page getting popular.
It's true.
What we gonna name it?
Shit. Slowest nigga on the block. I don't know. Slowest nigga on the block.
Nah, come on.
Nah, I'm trying to take the fastest off the block. You feel me?
What? Word?
Yes, sir.
Heard you. I wonder who's in your way.
Everybody that got a car.
I was just about to.
I got like bushings coming in. I got radio. I know that's something minor, but you know, I'm getting tired of listening to music on one side of my car. I need full volume capacity. I don't know what you want to call it, but I need that. Like, I need it. Like,
So, grab the other side. What you recording?
yeah.
Fix your hair.
My hand?
Yeah, put it to, like underneath, right there. Yep.
Boom.
And then put it on top.
Alright, bang.
Now, like, it's gonna get a little easier. I feel like cleaning now, fully. Like, that's it.